Welcome to Train Signal. You're watching a lesson on configuring remote desktop services load balancing. In this lesson, we're pretty much going to make this all about one of the RDS role services, and that's the Remote Desktop Connection Broker. We will review exactly what the connection broker is, and then we're going to jump right in and install it, and then see how to use it to provide load balancing. So, just to review, what is the Remote Desktop Connection Broker? Well, the first thing I'll mention is just a reminder that it was previously the TS Session Broker, if you're using Windows Server 2008 before R2. But basically, it's a role service included with Remote Desktop Services role in Windows Server 2008 R2 that provides load balancing to sessions between multiple session hosts. So if we're going to go ahead and set up multiple session hosts, right? Maybe our environment is large enough that one session host doesn't have enough resources, we can load balance between them. It also allows users to reconnect to an existing session. Now, this is something that we have seen can be done. When a user gets disconnected from a session, they can reconnect. Their stuff's still running, it's still open. But in this case, because there are multiple session hosts, we need the connection broker to reconnect the user to the same host that they previously were connected to, and then also make sure they get back to the same session. And it also can integrate with the RD virtualization host servers to help create a VDI, a virtual desktop infrastructure. Okay, again, not something we're going to go into in great detail. That would be more on the desktop side of things, but yes, the connection broker is used for that. So as I said, let's go ahead and jump over and take a look at how to set this all up. Okay, so over here I'm on our SCVMM server. Let me go ahead and open up the admin console. I will mention that if you were following along with the previous lesson and then jumped right into this one, you may already have this open because when we left things off, we had a bunch of things open. We were still connected to New York Mem 1. I closed out of everything, so I just need to reconnect. So here we have New York Mem 1, and go ahead and double click, go to full screen, and if I'll tell you what, just to get us right back where we were, you may remember that we had the under Remote Desktop Services here, the Session Host Configuration utility open. Okay, so this is